Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare ComfyUI and SwarmUI. ComfyUI is a powerful node-based AI workflow tool, mainly used for image and video generation. It gives full control over how AI models work by letting you connect nodes like building blocks. This makes it extremely flexible for advanced users who want to design custom workflows, combine models, and optimize performance. One of its biggest strengths is efficiency on hardware, especially VRAM usage, because it manages resources more carefully and avoids loading everything at once. It is also highly customizable, open source, and widely used by developers and AI artists. However, it has a steep learning curve, and beginners often find it confusing because you have to manually build everything step by step. On the other hand, SwarmUI is built to make ComfyUI easier and faster to use. It acts like a cleaner front-end interface on top of ComfyUI, simplifying workflow creation and reducing the need to manually connect complex nodes. It focuses more on usability, speed of setup, and convenience. You can still access powerful ComfyUI features in the background, but SwarmUI automates many parts, so you can generate images and run workflows much faster without deep technical knowledge. It is especially useful for users who want ComfyUI power without dealing with its complexity. Overall, in 2026, ComfyUI is more efficient in terms of control, optimization, and advanced workflow building, especially for professionals and power users. SwarmUI is more efficient in terms of usability, speed of setup, and ease of use. For most users, SwarmUI offers better overall efficiency because it saves time and reduces complexity, while ComfyUI is better if you want maximum control and don't mind a learning curve. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.